Tom's the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Charging My Phone. No, it's noodle recipe time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, guess what I got? It's from South Korea, and I'm gonna give it a name that I don't know that anybody's given it yet. This is Shin Light. Less calories. Alright? This is made in South Korea, but they're selling it in the US. It's definitely got US packaging, mostly English. They're air-dried noodles, 75% less fat, 25% less calories than regular Shin Ramen. Now, what's the deal? What am I going to call it? This is Shin White, yo. I mean, come on. It says Shin Nongshim Black Class. This is Shin White. Don't give me crap. But I'm very curious about this one. To cook it, you throw everything in for 4.5 minutes. 500 mils of water. This is my 4th review for today. So I hope you're ready. This could get messy. Hopefully, it does not. And here we go. So we're taking there's the noodles. I wanted to show you guys this one so bad that I actually bought a 5-pack. I don't buy 5-packs. Never. I thought this one definitely deserved a look-see. Now, it's less calories, but it's still 340 calories for the whole pack. So, we'll see if that seems groovy or not. Oh, 4.5 minutes. And then there's this, the oil going at the end. Goes in right now. So let's put that oil in. Spicy oil. Alright. That's enough fatty. And 4.5 minutes on the boil. So this is the 4th noodle I'm cooking today, and honestly, the first one was alright. The second one's The third one was reminiscent of a bathroom. So I'm really, really hoping this one will be good. I'm guessing it will. I mean, that's one thing. People are like, why isn't Shin Ramen on your top 10 list? It used to be. And that's not to say that I don't like it. There's a ton of stuff I absolutely love that's not on the top 10 list. Why? Because I've had over 3,000 varieties. If I made a top 100 list, chances are everything would be addressed that you like and that I like and all that. But to narrow it down to 10, it's got to be damn good, folks. It's got to be unique. It's got to be tasty. It's got to tickle that little spot. Yeah. But Shin is not on that list. Now, Shin Black used to be, I want to say like 2012 or 2013 it was. And then, was it 2014 or 15? Soon was. And I still love that one. Soon, veggie noodle. Another proud Nongshim product. The thing that bums me out is they used to contact me all the time. They're like, hey, we got something new. We're going to UPS it to you, all right? All right? Give it a try. Let us know what you think. And they would, and they don't do that anymore. They don't talk to me, and I miss them. So, if you're listening, Nongshim, contact me. I mean, come on. I really like your products. I don't like them all. You make a lot of SKUs. Come on. But, you know... There's that new one, that new green pack. But I can never find it in single packs, and that's the thing. It's like, I can't afford to buy all the multi-packs. This was a special one. So. I think it's yeah, it looks like 4 packs for $5, maybe $6. I hope it's good. Because the last review, I know it was $6 for 1 pack, and it sucked. To me. I'm sure most people, for the country where it's made to come out in, probably loved it, but not I. My guess the only difference between this and regular Shin is going to be the noodle. Is fine. Yeah, I had to go over this way for a second. I apologize. But now I'm back from over that way, looking for a ladle. Ladle. Got me a ladle. Gotta have a ladle. And gotta crack an egg and do the ladle. Cracking an egg into a ladle, folks. That's serious business. Whoa. Okay, alright, okay. Come on. What a sneaky Pete that timer is. Alright. Here, let me do what I'm doing with my egg real quick. Wow, this egg does not want to give it up. Come on, egg. Give it up. Oh, there you go. Come on. Gravity. Come on, egg. Give it up. Give it up, egg. Wow. Jeez. There we go. Alright. The egg has retreated from its previous position and now is gentle as a lamb. A lamb egg. Alright, so here, I think the most fascinating thing about this Shin White, which you can call it from now on everywhere, is that it's a non-fried noodle, and this is totally a different noodle. Well, broth. Okay. The broth has a little bit of a bitter back, which isn't something that I really like. But the noodle itself is quite good. And the noodle keeps the elements of the broth that I really like to itself. And then the broth kind of has that bitter back kind of over here. I don't know how else to describe it. But it's good. I'm impressed. That's good for a lower calorie noodle. I've got some spring onion and mung bean sprout going on in. The noodles are funny. One thing too, this isn't like super red. Yeah, this is more... Well, let's look. Yeah. This definitely has a different look to it, doesn't it? The normal Shin. Some people might complain that the noodles are slightly mushy. I don't know. I love these noodles. Those noodles are where it's at. If you ask me. So let's add some beef. Got some beef. Beef. And then we got our egg. Our thrilling egg. This egg has a very long tail on it. We'll just cover it up. Boop. Boop, she boop, she boop. A little bit of sesame. Guess I need to put a little bit. Yeah, hold on. Hold up, yo. Alright, let's throw some of this in here. Got spring onions flying all over the place. Ugh. Been a day, folks. Been a day. Been a week. But, you know, it is almost over. And there we go. So let's look in there. I would recommend trying it. If you like Shin, you should give this a try. I'll still say that I think the Soon is better. So yeah, Triumph, a nice new addition to the Shin line. Oh no! I almost forgot. Good God, what's wrong with me? Now we're talking. That's processed cheese. For those of you who don't know what cheese is, that is now this is going to be hard to throw down the drain. Yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.